Hello and welcome to this small mini tutorial on Construct 3 where we'll talk about token parsing. Now, what is it? I will show you what it is, what it's used for. So suppose we have a string variable. Let's call the string variable example, so of type string. And suppose you have a situation where in your game you get passed a parameter, for example, or you pick up some string from another source where the values in that string are independent values separated by some separator. For example, a, b, c. Those are three possible strings separated by a comma. But that could be something entirely else, like I don't know, a pipe symbol, b, pipe, c, for example, or whatever other separator, semicolon for example, there might be. Now let's keep it a bit simple and let's do a semicolon b and also a semicolon c. So suppose you have a situation where you want to know either how many items are there in there separated by that semicolon, or give me the first or the second or the third item in that list. Now you could do that using the index of and the mid function and stuff like that. Luckily, there's a very much simpler solution, and that's using tokens. So actually you should see that the a, b, and c values in that string are tokens. And there are actually two system functions. Let me just show you those. Let's do on start of layout and go to the layout here, double click the text element. So what we'll do is we'll set the text of the text object type, and let's use token count. The token count is a function that will count the number of tokens in the string. So first we need to give the string in which we need to count the tokens, which is the global string example here. And then we need to tell it what the separator is, because that can be totally variable. Now today we use the semicolon, but that can be something else. So in double quotes we use the semicolon to indicate to the token count that the values, the tokens in the string, are actually separated by semicolons. So let's run this. And there we have it. Indeed, A, B, and C, those are three tokens. So there we have 3 as a result. And then in a very similar manner, we can also use token add. And if we do that, we first need to give the string that contains the tokens. So in this case, this is example. Then yet again, the separator we are using, and then a zero-based number, first the zero-based number, excuse me, so we pick 0 for the first one, and then the separator, which is a semicolon. So what we're telling it now, give me the token, in example, the first token separated by a semicolon. And if we test that, then we get A, because we've chosen the 0 character, of course. So that was a very quick example of using token parsing. I hope you enjoyed it. So as always, please like and subscribe, and see you next time.